Finding the perfect sourcing agent can make or break your e-commerce dreams. Let's dive straight into ACBuy versus CNFans to see which platform deserves your business. First up, ACBuy. Focus on their product range. ACBuy is known for its wide selection, from electronics to apparel. Pay close attention to the niche categories they offer. Are there a lot of products in your chosen category, or only a few? This is key to scalability. Now let's explore CNFans. CNFans often specializes in specific product types, which can mean a more curated and potentially higher quality selection. But does it match your e-commerce needs? Pricing is critical, comparing the prices of similar items. ACBuy might appear cheaper, but remember to factor in shipping and potential hidden fees. CNFans may seem pricier initially, but consider their potential for bulk discounts and long-term supplier relationships. Shipping, ACBuy tends to have faster initial shipping estimates due to their wider network. CNFans shipping will vary greatly based on the product and supplier you use. Research the delivery times of their products you are interested in to plan inventory flow. In summary, ACBuy is great for a broad selection and faster shipping, but CNFans might offer better value if you need highly specialized items and are willing to invest in building supplier relationships. Consider what is important for your e-commerce business. Visit the links in the description to explore both platforms further. What's your experience? Let us know which platform you prefer in the comments.